Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your own custom Google Chrome theme from scratch. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open Chrome's main menu. This menu gives you access to all of Chrome's settings and features. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. When you do this, a submenu will appear with additional options related to extensions. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can find thousands of tools and add-ons to enhance your browsing experience. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar at the top left to search for Theme Creator for Chrome. This extension is specifically designed to help you build and customize your own browser themes without needing any design experience. Once you find it in the search results, click on it to open the extension's details page. On the extension page, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click on it, and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension to confirm the installation. The extension will download and install automatically, which should only take a few seconds. After the installation is complete, look at the top right corner of Chrome where you'll see a puzzle piece icon. This is the extensions icon. Click on it to see all your installed extensions, then click on Theme Creator for Chrome from the list. This will open the theme creation interface where you can start designing. Now comes the fun part where you can start customizing your theme. First, you'll see an option that says Drop or Upload Background. Click on it to select an image from your computer that you want to use as your theme's background. Browse through your files, choose the image you like, and double-click it to upload it. This image will set the overall look and feel of your theme. Next, choose a color scheme that complements your background image. The tool will help guide you through this process. Then select a theme preset from the available options like Midnight, Minimal, Forest, Sunset, or Auto Colors. These presets give you a starting point that you can further customize to match your personal style. Now you can fine-tune each element of your theme by adjusting the colors for frame, toolbar, tab, text, and accent. Take your time here to experiment with different combinations until you get the exact look you want. Each adjustment you make will preview in real time so you can see how everything looks together. Once you're happy with your design, click the Download Theme Zip button. This will download a zip file containing all your theme files to your computer's Downloads folder. Now open your file browser and navigate to where the zip file was downloaded. Right-click on the zip file to bring up the context menu, then click Extract All. In the window that appears, click Extract to unpack all the theme files into a new folder. Go back to Chrome and click the Extensions icon at the top again. This time, click Manage Extensions to open your Extensions Management page. On the upper right corner of this page, you'll see a toggle button labeled Developer Mode. Click this toggle to turn it on, which will reveal additional options you need to install your custom theme. With Developer Mode enabled, you'll now see a button that says Load Unpacked. Click on it and a file browser window will open. Navigate to the location where you extracted the zip file earlier. Click on the extracted folder to select it, then click Select Folder to confirm. And that's it. Chrome will immediately apply your custom theme, transforming the entire look of your browser with the design you just created. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.